So, today we're going to take it step by step and build a computer. And I'm being assisted by my grandchildren, my two 13-year-olds. On your left is Riley. On your right would be Zelda. No, they're not twins. They have different mothers. Riley is from Tracy and Zelda is from Shelley. But they're both 13, so. And the reason, well, these two want to learn about computers. These two want to learn about computers. That's the main reason that we're doing it. But, you know, if I can teach 13s to do this, you know you guys can do it. Okay? So, what we got is the computer case. It's empty. It doesn't have a motherboard in it, nothing. We're going to do all that. The only thing that case has in it is fans. It does have the cooling fans, and that's it. So, everything else we're going to put. Now, you don't want to build your motherboard and put it in first and then drag everything across your motherboard and tear stuff up. So therefore, we're going to build all the exterior stuff, like your CD, DVDs, things of that nature, hard drives. We're going to do all that first. Okay, so we will get started. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. Okay, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to put in is a Blu-ray player. This is your Blu-ray. So what you do is you just take it and it's like a slot. It goes in and you just push it in, and when it gets right here and lines up with this, that's where it goes, right there, lined up. Now you see your holes? Okay. Put a bolt in each one of those holes.
All four of them?
No, just two. There's 4 available, but you don't really need to put 4 in. I mean, if there was lots and lots of vibration, maybe, but there's not.
You had to put it in there to get started.
I tell you, look, let me see this. Take this and stick it on the end of your screwdriver, like that.
Okay.
And then just take it and put it up there.
Okay.
Like that.
The magnetic screwdrivers help a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Got to hold it straight.
My hand's like shaking.
Right. Is that good?
I can't get it in.
Yeah, there. Is it started?
It's not working on mine. I think I'll start screwing when it comes out.
Get you another screw.
How tight do they need to be?
Huh?
How tight do they need to be?
Well, just snug. They don't need to be tight. Just snug and good, fine. There we go, Zilla. Okay. Now, the next thing we put in is your RW. Now, what is an RW?
No idea.
Stands for rewriter. But what this is for is anytime that you write a DVD or a CD, that's what you do it with. And it's called an RW because some DVDs are rewritable, meaning that they don't lock down when you get done writing them, and you just stick them in there and put something else on them and just write over it, just like a chalkboard. That's the reason they call it RW. Go ahead and put your screws in, though.
Okay, like just 2 like with the glass door?
Right, just like the other one.
Is a disc like memory?
Huh?
Is a disc like memory?
The disc.
I mean, like you can put stuff on a disc.
Right. It's storage. Memory, I mean, you can call it memory if you want to, but storage is what it is. It's just like a movie. you store a movie on a DVD.
Finished.
If you got the proper stuff, you could actually take that and record a movie on it. Don't throw that, you'll stick it in my floor and make me angry. Okay, this is a card reader. That's gonna be the next thing that we put in there. So we take it and just shove it in there like that. Put it in the slot. Slide it back. Line it up with your DVD. That right there, you should be able to put bolts in it.
Push it back.
There you go.
There.
Got her? Okay. Now then, you got yours right?
You got one more.
Next thing we're going to do is put in the hard drive. I'm going to swing this tower around so you can see what we're doing. And then we'll swing it back around and let y'all put the bolts in it. Now, the other computer that I had, that I showed you, had modules, and you put the hard drive in the module. This one does not have modules. It just has sections you put it in. Now there's two fans here. There's a low one and a high one. We don't want we want air to go on top and bottom of this hard drive, but if we put it at the top, the video card will probably hit it or interfere with it. So we want to put it at the bottom. So you turn around like this. These are your hookups. This will be sticking out a little bit. And you put it. This is your middle slot right there. Okay. So now we'll turn it back around so you guys can get to it. Now, can you see it? Your slots.
Any holes?
Well, back the hard drive up. You see any holes now?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on, I need to slide it over just so you can like over here.
There?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, right there.
Okay, put two bolts in the hard drive.
It's like shaking like that. Yeah, you found it over here like that.
It's stuck in.
Oh.
It's stuck in place where it is.
I don't know if I'll be able to get the screw.
You are.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Okay, got it.
Almost.
Riley, get that back back there. The first one against the wall this way. Follow my finger to the wall.
Yeah. Oh, that.
Yeah.
Alright. I wasn't paying attention.
What we're going to do now, guys, once we got all this stuff done, then we're going to have to lay the computer on its left side in order to install the motherboard. So, what we're going to do is to install. I don't need that other one, just the front. I said the nearest one to us. This one.
Okay.
Elbow fold.
And this, all this is a door. It goes just like that, sticks up like that, comes around, and goes up like that.
Oh, it's that. Okay.
And put that one back down there right against the wall. We won't need that until we get done. That's the last one that we put on. Now then, take your screwdriver right and tighten them too. No, up here, up here, up here. We don't have this side on. Okay. Alright, you guys have the exterior stuff on. Now then, we've got to work on the motherboard. In order to do that, I need to cut this off.